Hello, calculus students. Welcome to the lesson on area. And I should say here that we're going to try and find exact area, okay, of a definite integral. Okay. So, just a fair warning and a caveat here that we're going to start this lesson by doing a bunch of random stuff that seem completely unrelated to each other. But I promise towards the end we'll be able to connect all the concepts and it will lead to something good. But let's kick things off with a little review on summation notation. So here I have this symbol, and this is the sigma symbol, and it means just to add everything up. I is called the iterator. It's what's changing every time. N is the number of terms, but more specifically, it's the last term. In other words, it's the last iteration. And then a sub I is some expression. And it has to be mathematically explicit. Okay, so it's usually a sequence or a series or a function of some sort. And it may be very complicated. So let's just do a quick example here so that we can see. So let's say I have someone, I ask you to evaluate the sum I equals 1 to, I don't know, 6. Okay, so in this case, 6 is equal to n. And let's say the expression is 2i minus 5. So what that really means is we're going to make substitutions. The first term, a sub 1, is going to be 2 times 1 minus 5. The second term, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, a sub 6, is going to be 2 times 2, because that's the I right here, minus 5. Then 2 times 3 minus 5. 2 times 4 minus 5. 2 times 5 minus 5. And 2 times 6 minus 5. Okay. And the summation basically means that we're going to add it all up. Add all these up together. Okay. So whatever that is, that's going to be our answer. Now, I need to point out here that when you have constants up here, the summation notation is just a different way of writing a number. If you add all this up, you're going to get some sort of number. But it doesn't always lead to a number. Sometimes you can use functions in this as well. So sometimes we could do things like, let's add up everything from I equals 1 to I equals 4 of f of 2i. Okay, whatever f is. So f could be some function. We don't really know what the function is. So this would just be f of 2 plus f of 6, because this is 2 times, sorry, f of 4. This is 2 times 1, f of 2 times 2, plus f of 2 times 3, plus f of 2 times 4. Okay. So here are the i's, right? So I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. And this here, this is 2 times 1. Okay, so hopefully you're familiar and you're comfortable with writing summations, and we'll work on some other examples where you write it in the other direction, where I give you the expression